Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to your PayPal from your bank account, credit card or your debit card. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. So once you're on the home page, you'll have to tap on transfer money in the top left corner of your screen. After you tap on transfer money, under the interface you have a list of options. So then right at the bottom you have an option as add money to your balance. So then you have to tap on it. On the other interface, enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on add. So on the other interface you need to enter the account number from where you want to transfer. On the second step you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once you're done with this, tap on add, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. So then next interface you have to review all of your information, and if you're sure about it, tap on add, which is right at the bottom, and then you have successfully added money to your PayPal account. So that is how you can add money to your PayPal account. So that is how you can add money to your PayPal from your bank account, debit card or your credit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.